Scott here with Halifax Motorsports. I just want to take a quick minute. I just put the new Fly Skinz NXTLVL windshield bag on my sled. Super easy. What's nice about this one, I had one on my old sled and you couldn't put this trim piece back. The bag just was a trim piece, so it didn't look bad, but it did look a little unfinished. This one on the new axys, you can put the trim piece back so it looks totally factory. Really nice, easy install. You just take out these push pins. There's 4 of them. Pop those out, take the old windshield off, and then underneath this bag there's little tabs that come down, and you push the push pins back in through the trim piece, through the tab, and in back into the original location in the sled. Now they are showing to use these ones and drill a little hole here. I'm not going to use those just yet because I don't think I'll have a ton in that bag, so there won't be a ton of weight, and I'll just see how it holds up. If it looks like it's starting to come off, then I may drill a little hole and put the pin through. I just didn't want to drill a hole through the factory dash. And there is a piece of, they give you a double-sided tape with Velcro to put across here, so it keeps it nice and secure up top. Nice little details. They put a little piece of Velcro here so the zipper's not flopping around. And then you can open this up, and inside here it goes all the way down. You remove the little dash cover, and it's got a mesh bottom, and it goes right down into that hole. So we'll see how warm that gets. Hopefully I'll be able to dry some goggles out. The original factory Polaris dash is quite small. You could probably fit a small pair of goggles in there, but this way I could put my goggles in and probably throw a couple granola bars or cereal bars, and hopefully they'll stay warm and not so frozen and crunchy. We sell these at the shop, so if anybody's looking for one, we can get them for all the makes and models. So you can look us up, halifaxmotorsports.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.